Mukesh. In this video, I am going to explain you how you can make these cool looking goggles. For the circuit part, I have taken a Arduino Nano, a HC06 Bluetooth module, a 3.7 volts battery, a on and off switch, and many of these WS2812B LEDs. I have taken this flexible wire from the old pair of headset. This wire contains 3 wired strings which I can use as a ground, a 5 volts and a data wire. For making the LEDs connections, I have taken 88 LEDs of WS2812B. Then I have arranged all the LEDs on a cello tape. The LEDs are arranged in such a way that first line has ground line and a VCC line. The next line has inverted LEDs such that the VCC line becomes common for first line and the second line. In the similar way, the third line will have ground as common between second line and the third line. Now solder all the adjacent points and it should look something like this. I have divided connections in 2 parts as a lens 1 and in the similar way lens 2. As you can see here, this is the lens 1 and this is the lens 2. Both the lenses are joined with some of these LEDs in between. Now connect all the VCC and ground lines. As you can see here, this is the first ground line and this is the first VCC line. This VCC line is acting common for both first and second line. In the similar way, the ground line for second is acting as common for second and third line. In the similar way, connect all the lines. For jumping the data lines, I have used thin insulated copper wire, as you can see here. This is the wire coming from Arduino, which is connected to ground, data line and VCC. All the circuit connections are shown in the circuit diagram. After you connect all the LEDs and the circuit, take a goggle frame like this one and glue all the LED structure in it. Before you connect Arduino to your PC, make sure that RX and TX pin are disconnected. Open the code that is given in the description below. Then go to Tools, select the board type as Arduino Nano and select the port. Then click on Upload. Now the code is uploaded. Now connect the RX and TX pin back. Install the app that is given in the description below. Then go to your Bluetooth settings. Turn on your Bluetooth. Search for a device named HC06. After you find the device, click on the device and enter the password as 1234 and pair the device. After the device is successfully paired, then open the app, click on Bluetooth icon and select the device as HC06. And that's it, our app is set. I am using this plastic container to put all the electronics in. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.
Open up,